Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about SI engine. So what is SI engine? Spark ignition engine is an internal combustion engine which is also called as petrol engine. In spark ignition engine, the combustion of air-fuel mixture is ignited by a spark plug. SI engine is an Otto cycle engine. The working cycle of SI engine may be 2-stroke or 4-stroke. The thermal efficiency of SI engine is less as compared to CI engine. Today we are going to discuss about 4-stroke SI engine, but before that I am going to tell you the parts of 4-stroke SI engine. So this is the cylinder and there are two valves. First, inlet valve from which the air-fuel mixture enters, and then this is this exhaust valve from which the exhaust gases escape. This is the piston. Piston moves upward and downward motion, and this is the 2 points which is called as TDC and BDC. TDC is top dead center and BDC is bottom dead center. This is the connecting rod which connects the piston to the crank, and the length of the connecting rod is L, and the radius of the crank is R, and the crank is connected to the crankshaft. So this is the first stroke. Suction stroke is also called as intake stroke. As you can see, the piston moves from top dead center to bottom dead center. The inlet valve must be open and the exhaust valve must be closed. The fresh air-fuel mixture enters from the inlet valve by the downward motion of the piston. The fresh air-fuel mixture enters from the inlet valve because the piston is moving down and the air is being sucked by the downward motion against the piston. So this is the second stroke. Which is called as compression stroke. In this stroke, the compression of charges takes place when the piston moves from BTC to TDC. As you can see, the piston is moving from BTC to TDC and the fresh air-fuel mixture which is present over here is being compressed by the piston movement. Both the valves, inlet valve and exhaust valve, remains closed during this process. The charges which is being occupied by the whole cylinder volume is now compressed up to the clearance volume. Just before the completion of this process, a spark is produced by the spark plug and the fuel is being ignited over here, and the piston will remain up to TDC. So this is the third process at which the piston will be stopped at TDC and both the valves, inlet valve and exhaust valve, will remain closed and the heat addition will be at constant volume. So the next stroke is expansion stroke, which is also called as power stroke. In 4-stroke cycle, the crank rotates twice. The second revolution starts from here. A full 360 revolution at this stage is being completed by the crankshaft. The piston moves from TDC to BDC due to the explosion of the charges. Due to high pressure of burnt gases, the piston moves from TDC to BDC. These strokes produce power which is being stored by the flywheel, and the flywheel gives power to the other strokes to complete the cycle. So the next process is constant volume heat rejection. During this process, both the valves remain closed and the heat rejection will be at constant volume. So the last stroke is exhaust stroke. In this stroke, the exhaust valve remains open and the inlet valve remains closed. All the exhaust gases present over here are expelled out through the exhaust valve. The exhaust valve closes at the end of the exhaust stroke, but some of the exhaust gases present in the cylinder after the process.